The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending energy since the crypto market slump in May 2022. The ALGO token was exchanging around 77 cents when the land disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost pointedly tumbled to 37 cents in a couple of days. After some combination, the cost additionally tumbled to 27 cents that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 15 cents. What is Algorand? Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Macaulay and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and market analysts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the state-of-the-art existence. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely adaptable. Thus, they authored the advantage of utilizing confirmation of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here, every single individual chain manages its free blockchain framework with its agreement system and block validators, and make more kid chains of its own. Algorand, the ALGO token. Algorand Organizations Group has delivered interface libraries that will be a pioneer. The organization likewise brought a special token ALGO that is currently a significant hit at the prestigious trades coordinating the speed with other cryptographic forms of money. Vantage ALGO, the immense potential for installments coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point in any place, and the confirmation of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the most minimal charges. Algorand savvy agreements are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be certain that the program ran without blunder and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, absolution, security, and cost viability. Altcoins can naturally authorize custom principles and rationale, from essentially characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. Altcoins are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language and Python, a Python language restricting. ALGO coin is a cryptographic money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary standards, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their presentation and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will quite often send and get installments in their ideal money by means of Algorand shrewd agreements as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. The ongoing cost of Algorand waits around 23 cents with a market capitalization of $1,717,242,017 with a circling supply of $7,199,412,738 ALGO. The Algorand People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, driving a change in any case. Sell Algorand at the obstruction level and purchase Algorand at the help level. This technique can assist financial backers with making a transient benefit. Before we start our Algorand cost forecast, how about we concentrate on the value history of the token? Toward the finish of 2019, the Algorand cost exchanged around 25 cents, while in only 2 months, the ALGO cost shot up to 49 cents. Later in 2020, ALGO cost denoted a precarious fall during the walk crash, and afterward, it recaptured its lost energy. The cost again went to 66 cents in the following 5 months. At long last, after some highs and lows, the ALGO token contacted the $1 mark. Financial backers began booking their benefits at the $1.70 mark, and the offering prompted a cost fall. After some solidification, the cost came to $2.37 toward the finish of 2021, where we again saw a specific selling. The ALGO value attempted to arrive at a similar level again threefold, however fizzled. Before the cost could recover energy, the whole crypto market saw an accident, and from that point forward, the Algorand coin has been battling to start the upturn. A much of the time noticed characteristic of Algorand projection is that it has shown the most whimsical and fluctuating conduct like other cryptographic forms of money. The brain science of clients extraordinarily drives the crypto market opinions. Remembering this, beneath are the Algorand cost expectations for coming years. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. As per Algorand Expectation 2023, with any progressions in strategies and guidelines, Algorand may have its portion of murky days at its cost showing some opposition. According to our Algorand cost figure, the coin could cruise smoothly around 35 cents with a greatest cost of 50 cents and least cost of 20 cents, making it not fall in cost but rather play reliably. Algorand Value Forecast 2024. In the event that Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and essentials, The ALGO coin could reflect monstrous development in the impending years. It wouldn't be an embellishment to find that Algorand's cost will scale to a pinnacle of 65 cents, which is plus 170.83% to the most recent cost. Sometime or another, however, the equivalent can't be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light reach. In light of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 45 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. Algorand has previously taken on the POS system and consequently has huge development anticipated in the impending years. The future value energy is really splendid for Algorand. In light of our Algorand cost estimate, a drawn-out increment is normal, and ALGO exchange is green for the period. The cost could come to the 97 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand Value Forecast 2026. Having seen a colossal DApp reception in the past push the cost of Algorand. The organization is very well known, with various ventures based on it. Given the headways are kept up with, the Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a most extreme cost of $1.05, which is plus 337.5% of the Algorand cost today. Algorand Value Forecast 2027. With organizations and local area financing, the business sector's glance back at Algorand is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close $1.25, which is plus 420% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand figure, however certainly plausible, instead of expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon. According to our Algorand cost forecasts, the base cost of the coin might be around 90 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. In light of the expectations, the ALGO coin might have a base cost of $1 with a most extreme cost of $1.50 for the year 2028. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the token is supposed to be around $1.25 in light of our ALGO conjecture. Algorand Value Forecast 2029. In 2029, the ALGO coin is supposed to exchange a scope of $1.50 to $1.90, where the previous is the most minimal cost and the last option is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, our Algorand cost expectation recommends that the typical cost of the token might be $1.70 all year long. Algorand Value Forecast 2030. As indicated by Algorand Cost Expectation 2030, the estimated crypto cost will exchange above $2 by 2030. The ALGO coin will ascend to $2.50 by December 2030, addressing a tremendous upswing of plus 733% to the ongoing cost. As indicated by our drawn-out ALGO cost forecast, the token is definitely not a wise venture decision. With a 5-year speculation, your ongoing venture might be depreciated. The Algorand conjecture gauges the cost might hit 4 cents by 2024. ALGO cost expectation expresses that future costs would cross $2, and its return for money invested rate will be around 900%, so with a 5-year HODL, it will merit wagering on Algorand digital currency. As per our Algorand Cost Forecast 2023, the token is anticipated to cross a normal cost of 29 cents. The normal greatest cost of Algorand toward the finish of 2023 will be 37 cents.